Well, welcome back to our last installment of the unboxing our computer. Alright, so here we have the master case, and this is going to be very satisfying to open, so I'm really glad that you all joined us for this. I'm going to make this first incision here. Again, always wearing the gloves. Make sure that you're wearing the gloves. You know, it does two things actually. Like, not only does it keep all your computer parts safe, but really it protects you from cutting yourself too. It's a lot harder to, you know, you can't cut yourself with this. It's a really smart thing to wear the gloves. Okay. And here we got some of the casing. It's pretty good plastic there. Not bad. Let's see here. Now this is the big old case. Let's see how much this is. It weighs probably about 10-15 pounds. A little heavier. Yeah. Alright, welcome back. Sorry about all that. As you can see, we got the we got this out of the box here, and now all we got to do is get this plastic off. And it looks like some really good plastic too. It's easy to get off. And it smells great too. It's some really good plastic. And then this thing is all good to go now. Oh, what is this? It's an extra screen. Nice and clean. It's magnetic. Alright, well, thanks for watching our installment of Unboxing a Computer.